How to create invoice with no tax on expenses. In some regions, certain expenses may not be taxable. Today, we'll show you how to handle these scenarios using our invoicing system. First, let's see how to generate an invoice with no tax on expenses during individual invoice generation. Log into CaseFox. Open the Cases Projects section and navigate to the Invoices tab for the desired case. Click on the Quick Bill button for the selected case. Add time and expense entries to the invoice pop-up. Now, for expense entries, uncheck the Taxable checkbox. Enter the applicable tax rate or VAT rate. Click on the Generate Invoice button to create the invoice. Next, let's look at how to handle this during bulk invoice generation. Navigate to the Reports section and select Tools. Choose Bulk Invoice Generation. Enter the tax VAT rate. Uncheck the No Tax VAT on Expense Entries box. Proceed with invoice generation. That's it. You've learned how to create invoices without tax on expenses in our system. Whether you're handling individual invoices or generating them in bulk, you can now handle non-taxable expenses with ease. To know more, visit our support.casefox.com. Thanks for watching.